Hey, we're Restless Road.
We're gonna be looking through a list of songs and try to make them country. You guys ready?
This is Make It Country.
Oh, this one's my dad's favorite
Oh
song.
my
Ridin' Dirty.
gosh.
Oh
Y'all
yeah,
wanna do this one?
let's get
This
let's
should
go
be
crazy on
interesting.
it.
Let's try.
We can pull this off.
All right.
Here we go. CMT. Make it country. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling, they trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding. My music's so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gonna catch me riding dirty, trying to 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 catch me riding. Ooh,
It's good, man.
What about that one?
Oh, dude, Maroon 5 makes me wonder. Yeah, that's a classic.
Yeah,
that's a
let's
classic.
do it. Let's do it.
Wake up, bloodshot eyes, struggle to memorize the way it felt between your thighs, pleasure that made you cry. Oh, feels so good to be bad, not worth the aftermath. After that, I try to get you back. I still don't have a reason, and you don't have the time. And it really makes me wonder if I ever gave up about you. Give me something to believe in, 'cause I don't believe in you anymore. I wonder if it even makes a difference to try. Oh no, so this is goodbye.
What about y'all wanna do Soul Sister?
Yeah, I like that one.
Maybe
Yeah, let's
so,
do
sister.
that.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, let's do that.
Your lipstick stain on the front lobe of my left side brain. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio and stereo? The way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do.